everyone, so today I have got a Plouise mystery box unboxing. I'm going to try and do either a few mystery boxes a month or definitely at least one mystery box a month, because I do love mystery boxes. I know a lot of my subscribers are here for mystery boxes, so I am going to try and do a mystery box or some sort of box a month. I'm not subscribed to any beauty subscriptions at the minute, so I feel like that is the way to go for my content for you guys, and that's how I feel like I'm going to go forward. So this is the Plouise mystery box. It costs £15, and this is obviously, I'm filming this in the month of January. I'm hoping this is my January's mystery box, but this may go up in February because I've had like a month and a bit off, to be honest. But anyways, we're going to get into it. And anyways, so let's just unbox it. So this is a £15 mystery box. That was quite hard to get into. I did order a few things from them, so I'll just get them out of the box first, because I know they put them all together, don't they? And then I did get something free as well. So I got these. I'll show you these quickly. These body mists in the scent Matcha. I don't know what they smell like. I got 3, 1 for me and then 2 as gifts. These are them here. These were on offer for £1. If they're still available, I'll have it down below for using anyways. But then, because I bought the mystery box and then I got them and I spent over something like £16, I got this free, which is the Plouise lip oil or something. So I'm so excited about that. It's got like a clip, I think, to clip onto your bag. So I've never ever seen them. I mean, I've had Plouise before, but not for a long time. I'm just not been purchasing makeup unless I need it, which I'm still doing. Let's have a smell of this Matcha body mist. So this is it. Yeah, I thought it came with like a clip to hang onto your bags and stuff, unless you have to buy the clip separately. It's got a hole for a clip, but there's no clip in the carton or anything like that. And anyways, but let's have a look. So I don't know, we'll see what matcha smells like. I love a fragrance, and for £1, I mean, oh wow, it just smells like chocolate. It literally smells like a chocolate body mist. That's the only way I can describe that. Okay, that's something different. A full-on chocolate body mist. Right, but anyways, what yous are here for? Oh wait, I did get 3 of these. So are these for that? Yes, I think they must be for the body mists. Yeah. And anyways, we've got the mystery box. So we've got 3 items in this mystery box here for £15. So let's see what we've got. So the first thing we've got is a lip kit, which looks really nice. And it is a kiss and makeup, give your lips the luxury they deserve lip kit, and this is what it looks like here. It says it's in My Affection and Hooked. This is what the lipstick looks like. Oh my god, this is so nude. It's almost concealer like. If you love the concealer lip look, which actually is trendy, and then a little bit of a darker lip liner there, so it's definitely like the 90s lip kit. This, I don't know whether it would be for me, but I can understand why it was a thing, you know, on their website. Then we've got the Cheek of It liquid highlighter in the shade Treasure Trove. Okay, I'm not really a highlightery person anymore. Oh, that is what, can you see? I don't know whether you're going to be able to see because of my light there. Can you see? That looks so pretty. What's the applicator on these? Oh, so yeah, like a bit like the Charlotte Tilbury applicator. That actually looks so pretty. So that's a really nice one. And then last but not least, we have got the Plouise Skin Give It a Rest Under Eye Cream. Oh, I don't know if you can't see. You could not see because of the light. Yeah, and that is everything that I got in my Plouise mystery box / haul. So what I got in the mystery box for £15 was the lip kit, That is it there. The under eye cream, so I got 3 items, so basically a £5 item, and then a liquid highlighter. What I actually purchased was these, with obviously I purchased the mystery kit and mystery box too. Then I purchased these three fragrances. I purchased 3 fragrances in this scent. Matcha, not the biggest fan of the scent, to be honest. It's like chocolate in a perfume. I can see why they were only £1. And then obviously I got this. And then I got this free, which is the Ultimate On The Glow lip gloss, which I'm not going to lie, I'm quite excited about. So that is what I got in my Plouise mystery box. Would you like me to unbox one of the higher value mystery boxes? Have you got a mystery box or mystery type box that you would like me to unbox? Please let me know down in the comments. Please let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I will try and do that for February, which is like so soon. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.